Hello, this is Mark from the Shading Company out here in Fredericksburg, Texas, where we completed the installation of several security shutters in this beautiful home out here. What you see here is a 58mm system in color beige, covering these two openings in the customer's master bedroom. I'm going to show you here shortly how these units work. In my hand I have a multi-channel remote where I can switch through the different shutters that I want to control. On this specific unit, we got unit 1 on the right here and unit 2 on the left. I'm going to go ahead and click the down button and you will see the shutter coming down, shutter number 1 and then number 2 over here. Starting to come down as well. It's a simple click of the button and the customer can secure his area every night with no hassle. As you can see, the shutter is coming down to its lower limit. I can also function these units simultaneously if I want. I put it in channel 0 and I just click the upper button and you can see both units are coming to their upper limit. These are very reliable products, very strong products. The customer is using it for security, but these are also for they sell as well for hurricane shutters. Unit 2 reaches upper limit. Number 1 is a little bit larger, higher too, taller, and it just reaches upper limit. If you're in the market for any rolling shutters, aluminum shutters, motorized security shutters, give the Shading Company